Incredible benefits of chewing just 2 cloves daily after age 50. Cloves are a spice that come from the flower buds of the clove tree and have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties. Doctors are shocked at the amazing health benefits that come with this simple habit. So, if you're over 50 and looking for a natural way to improve your health, keep watching. But before we dive in, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our health and wellness tips. Thank you for your support. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. Here are the incredible benefits of chewing just 2 cloves daily after 50. 1. Improved digestion. As we age, our digestive system can become less efficient. Chewing cloves can help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which can improve digestion and reduce bloating and gas. Cloves also have carminative properties, which means they can help relieve digestive discomfort and prevent the formation of gas in the digestive tract. 2. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a common problem as we age, and it can contribute to a variety of health issues. Cloves contain anti-inflammatory compounds such as eugenol, which can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. This can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. 3. Lowered blood sugar. High blood sugar is a common problem in older adults, and it can increase the risk of diabetes and other health issues. Chewing cloves has been shown to help lower blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity and improving glucose uptake by cells. This makes it a natural way to manage this problem and reduce the risk of developing diabetes. 4. Improved immune function. As we age, our immune system can become weaker, making us more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Cloves contain compounds such as eugenol and beta-caryophyllene that can help boost immune function. By increasing the production of white blood cells and improving their ability to fight off infections. This makes it easier for our bodies to fight off infections and stay healthy. 5. Reduced pain. Cloves have been used for centuries as a natural pain reliever. Chewing cloves can help reduce pain and inflammation throughout the body, making it a great option for those dealing with chronic pain. Cloves contain compounds such as eugenol and beta-caryophyllene that have analgesic properties and can help reduce pain and inflammation. 6. Improved oral health. Cloves have natural antibacterial properties that can help fight against harmful bacteria in the mouth. Chewing cloves can help freshen breath, prevent cavities, and reduce gum inflammation. Cloves contain eugenol, which is a natural antiseptic that can help kill bacteria in the mouth and prevent the growth of harmful microorganisms. This makes it a great natural remedy for oral health issues. 7. Improved respiratory health. Cloves have been used for centuries to treat respiratory issues such as coughs, colds, and asthma. Cloves contain compounds such as eugenol and beta-caryophyllene that can help relieve respiratory symptoms by reducing inflammation and improving lung function. Chewing cloves can help soothe the throat and reduce coughing, making it a great natural remedy for respiratory issues. 8. Improved cardiovascular health. As we age, our risk of developing cardiovascular disease increases. Cloves can help improve cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation, improving blood flow, and reducing the risk of blood clots. Cloves contain compounds such as eugenol and beta-caryophyllene that can help improve blood circulation and reduce the risk of heart disease. 9. Enhance brain function. As we age, our cognitive function can decline, making it harder to remember things and stay focused. Cloves contain compounds such as eugenol and acetyl-eugenol that can help improve brain function by increasing blood flow to the brain and reducing oxidative stress. This can help improve memory, concentration, and overall cognitive function. 10. Potential cancer prevention. Cloves contain compounds such as eugenol and beta-caryophyllene that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Studies have found that these compounds can help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells, making it a promising natural treatment option. While more research is needed in this area, chewing cloves may be a simple and natural way to reduce the risk of cancer. If you're over 50 and interested in improving your health, we encourage you to try chewing 2 cloves daily. It's a simple and natural way to improve digestion, reduce inflammation, lower blood sugar, boost immune function, reduce pain. Improve oral and respiratory health, improve cardiovascular health, enhance brain function, and potentially even prevent cancer. So, give it a try and let us know in the comments below how it works for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching.